Welcome to Get Solutions. This is your Lokesh. So in this session we are going to discuss the concept that is cost management. You know very well what is cost and what is management. So this concept I am going to segregate into two parts. One is cost and another one is management. See, you know very well the cost is nothing but it is an expense which is incurred for the production of a single unit or a product or a thing. And you know very well the management. Manage men. It is all about managing men. Which means getting the things that is done through the others or other people. With the combination of cost and management, let's see what is the meaning of cost management. Cost management identify, collects, measures, classifies and report the information that is useful to the management in determination of the cost of the product or services, planning and decision making. See, the cost management which identify, what it identifies in the sense, for example, assume the company is required to produce the products with the using of raw materials with the minimum cost. So with the minimum cost only the company is decided to earn a maximum profit. It is the basic goal of the each and every business organization. So that in order to produce the products with the minimum cost, first the organization is going to identify the different alternative sources. So which source or from which source the raw material will be available for the business organization with the minimum cost. So that is the first thing. If we get the raw material with the minimum cost and least cost, then it ultimately helpful to produce the product with a quality. How quality will be going to improvise? When the raw material is have a more quality, then automatically the products is also produced with the quality. So the company or organization not only concentrating on maximizing the sales and earning a more profit, but also the quality is also more important, but with the minimum cost. The management of cost with the quality and by increasing the efficiency and with the rapid development, which means every business organization or in the every business organization it thinks that to produce the qualitative products with a more quantity by putting various contribution towards producing the products with effectively and by efficiently utilizing optimum resources and also increasing the production capacity with the minimum cost again. So here the cost management identify the alternative sources of an action or alternative sources which will give the minimum cost of material to produce the products, and it also collects the information of the various alternative sources and it going to measure and evaluate which source is best to produce the product with the minimum cost with a high quality by contributing more efforts towards the producing the product. And also it classify and segregate the information which is respective to the particular department of the organizations, and also these informations, these identified and collected and measured information after gets classified, then the same information is reported to the management. So then the management will take a further action towards the available data to decide about the producing the products or services. So which ultimately helps in decision making towards the producing the product with the minimum cost, with the high quality, by increasing the speed of the production, with efficiently utilizing the optimum resources. So the cost management again means that identify, collects, measures and classifies and report the same information to the management. Then the management effectively utilize this information to take the further decision about the producing the product with the minimum cost and high quality, with efficiently and effectively. So this is the actual meaning of the cost management. See, this cost management is different from the cost accounting. Let's see what is the difference between cost accounting and cost management. So the differences between the cost accounting and cost management, let's take down the first difference. The cost accounting deals with the determination of the cost of the product or services. Yes, of course, you know very well what is the cost. It is the expense incurred for the producing the product, which means ultimately the cost accounting deals with the determination of the cost of a product, that is how much cost incurred for the producing the product or services. So similarly, the cost management deals with the ascertaining the accurate cost information to the development of the product. So this is the slight difference between the cost accounting and cost management. So once again I am going to repeat cost accounting. So you know very well that accounting is nothing but it is an art of recording and classifying and summarizing, analyzing and interpreting the information, that is accounting information. So when this accounting combined with the cost, then the cost accounting is also stated the same meaning, but under the cost accounting it deals with the determination of the cost that incurred for the producing the product or services. So similarly, the cost management is all about the management of the cost, that cost particularly incurred for the producing the product or services. So therefore the cost management, it deals with the ascertaining the accurate information, that is information here the related to cost, that is cost information to develop the product or services. So the cost management ultimately ascertain the accurate cost information to development of the product or services of the organization. Okay, so see the second difference, the cost accounting is based on the historical data, that is this cost accounting deals with the past data of the business organization. So based on the historical data or past data only, it will be going to take the necessary actions and it will be going to make a plan for the future course of action. So similarly, the cost management, it uses the new methods which is implemented within the organizations, or it uses the new technology or new methods which ultimately guides and monitor the performances of the business organization. So this new methods helps the cost management to evaluate the performances of the particular activity when that particular activity is compared with the standard performance. Okay, so this is the second difference. So cost accounting based on the past data or historical data, and cost management is deals with the and uses the new methods which ultimately helpful to take the necessary actions of the business organization towards the success or goal or vision. and also this cost management helps to evaluate the performance by monitoring and comparing with the standard performance. And the third difference, cost accounting focuses on past or present condition, and similarly the cost management focuses on present and future condition. Okay, see the difference between the cost accounting and cost management towards the scenario and that is criteria or a situation. The cost accounting completely focuses on the historical or past or present condition, that is previous condition. It also considers the previous condition and also present condition. So this comes under the cost accounting. That means under cost accounting, in order to take the necessary actions, it will be going to overview the past and present, that is both the conditions. That is, in past, how the company or business organization will be going to takes the action or taken the action for the similar problem, and what at present we are going to take the necessary action. So this will be comes under the cost accounting. So similarly in the cost management, it focuses on the present and future condition. So what is the present situation and how it will be going to affect the future condition. So based on that, under cost management, we will be going to take the necessary actions. Next, the last difference, that is cost accounting only quantitative aspects is recorded. So quantitative aspects in the sense, it means the numerical data. So it is very easy to understand, right? So the quantitative data, which means numerical data. Okay, so the cost management, it records both qualitative and quantitative aspects. So the cost accounting records only quantitative data, that is in the numerical way or tabular and tabular form or in the graphical representation. But the cost management records both the qualitative and quantitative aspects of the business organization. So these are the differences between the cost accounting and cost management. So it is important for 2 marks. If they asked for 2 marks, just write down these differences.